These are some of the better images that people have created, and it looks very good. Maybe they've adjusted the model. Making videos just based on text prompts, you can use a tool like this to make videos, and the site to go to is called huggingface.co. You will need to sign up and then sign into this place. I'm going to put links to the description. Basically, we will use the model scope text to video synthesis, and you can actually type in anything to generate video. So once you have typed in, and I've typed in Tesla car orbiting the Earth, let's see what it comes out with. So you will need to wait for a while depending on what's on the queue. So right now it shows that I am number 8 on 8, and it will approximately take a little bit over 2 minutes to wait. Now I've tried the tool, and not all the time it will create the things that you expect. So you may need to make some adjustments over here, but let's see what it goes. Alright, I'm going to pause this video for a short while so that you don't have to go through this long waiting period. Let's see what we come up with. Let's play the video. This is not Tesla car orbiting. So this example is pretty bad. Let's try another one. Let's say a nuclear cloud in Kuala Lumpur city center. Let's generate the video. While we are waiting for it, for the queue, I want to show you some of the things I found on Reddit, which is pretty interesting. And these are some of the better images that people have created, and it looks very good. Unfortunately, depending on who is using it and the time, maybe they've adjusted the model. I'm not sure. So some of it is pretty interesting. Like for example, you get all these very realistic looking fish and puppies. I would say your mileage will vary. So it is processing nuclear mushroom in KL City Center. Let's see what it comes out with. Alright, so this is not too bad. It looks like KLCC. I do not know what is this, and this is a mushroom. This is a mushroom. It does have some work to improve on, but this is just the first few versions, so it will be pretty interesting to see what happens in a year or so. Okay, let's try this one more time. Alright, so it has finished generating. Let's play the video. There's no nuclear cloud. This doesn't look like KL. Alright, so like I mentioned, this tool has some ways to go. You can play around and try it. I'm going to put links in the description to this tool in Hugging Faces, which is under Model Scope Text to Video Synthesis. Stay tuned for further videos on this topic. Now I am creating this video on the fly using my other camera because I'm in KL right now and it is crazy hot. So anyway, until the next video, stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing as I bring up more tools on AI to help you with your content creation. Until the next time, this is James. Bye bye.